Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version and you may install your updates. You may face a problem that your updates are not installing and they stuck on verifying update. So you may check as I have downloaded iOS 18.1 beta 6 and I want to install that update, but my update stuck on verifying update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys you make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected Wi-Fi, you make a click here on your Wi-Fi, and after this here the option of your Wi-Fi name, so you make a click here, and here is the option of forget this network, so you make a click here and connect it again. Then guys you may go back, and if you're connected on mobile data, you will make sure that your aeroplane mode is turned off, and then you make a click here on mobile services, and then click here on mobile data and you may turn this on, and then click here on mobile data options, and here is the option of voice and data, so you may click here and you may select 3G, 4G or 5G which is available in your area. Then guys you may make sure that your internet package is working properly and you have proper package in your SIM card. After this you may go back and you may scroll it down, and here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys you may scroll it down, and here is the option of general, so you may click here and click here on background app refresh, click here and turn this on. After this, here is the option of date and time, so you may click here and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this you may scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys you may go back again, and you may make sure that you have enough battery of your iPhone. So if you have low battery, you may face this problem. So guys, after this you may just restart your device, and then you may click here on general again and click here on software update, and now you may install your update and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.